Hello guys, again we are back with another unboxing, viewing and testing of this Silvercrest Bluetooth on-ear. Let's see some specs. Bluetooth on-ear headphones, hands-free function and built-in microphone, adjustable soft cushion, control panel of the headphones, 3 years warranty for 10 meters of the Bluetooth. Battery charging time, it goes to 2.5 hours, lithium battery 300 milliamps, 3.7 volts, Bluetooth 5 connection, supported Bluetooth profiles, A2DP, HFP, HCP, AVRCP. Included USB-A to micro USB charging cable, built-in lithium rechargeable battery for up to 15 hours of music, easy to sync using the Bluetooth button. That sounds very nice, and it's time to open it to test it to see how it sounds. See what do we have into the box. We've got the 3.5 headphone cable. That means you can connect this an aux in. You can connect your smartphone if has a 3.5 headphone jack. In those days the smartphones are getting better and they don't have a 3.5 headphone jack. Well, we've got the micro USB. You can charge your headphones. There's a headphone. There is the aux in. We've got a microphone. We've got a button for increasing volume, decreasing volume, pause, play. The Bluetooth button for connecting to your smartphone. An LED indicator. From the other side we don't have anything. You can see it is adjustable. You can put it in your bag when you're traveling, whenever it's suitable for you, adjusting just like that. Silvercrest here, a metallic soft cushion. I will wear it to see how it looks to my head. Well, for charging it's very easy, as I said. Connect that. You can connect your power bank, and you can see there is a charging LED, indicates that it's charging. My smartphone, just push the play, it will turn on. You can see we've got a white and blue LED. Let's scan. We can see SBKP 4A1. Waiting for connection. Yep, we're good to go. Media, okay. Well, let's hear some music to see how it sounds. There we are. Well, let's put it to my ears. Yeah, nice bass, very clear sound. I'm impressed. Well, I can push the button, pause the music, or increase and decrease the volume. You can hear again. Well guys, I think it's a nice quality of music, great bass, sounds great, it fits into your ear very well, no problem, nice material. Well, if you need something like that, it costs only 20 euros. Buy it, it's worth the money. Well, let's see how it looks to my head. Well guys, that was all about the Silvercrest Bluetooth on-ear headphones. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like my videos is your choice. Share this video, you know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.